Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create database item in Notion on jot form submission automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you receive a new submission on your jot form, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a database item in your Notion account. But the question arises that how the submissions can be created as a database item in Notion. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is the contact form which I have created using jot form, where I have asked for the full name, email address and mobile number of the customer. Okay, and this is my Notion workspace. So now I want that whenever any of the customer fills this particular form, all the details of the customer should be added as a new database item here in this particular workspace, that is jot form contact responses. So I'll just fill this form. I'm just going to give the full name as Adam Smith, email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number over here. And let's click on submit. Okay, the form has been filled. Now let us check our Notion account. And here we can find the details of the customer, full name, email address, mobile number and the submission ID. So all the details of the customer are captured over here. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled the jot form over here, the contact form, and automatically the details of the customer are added to this particular workspace in my Notion account. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between jot form and Notion, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating jot form with Notion automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between jot form and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details from the jot form submissions, and using all those details, automatically a new database item will be created into your Notion account. And in this way, we will be learning that how we can create an integration between jot form and Notion using Pabbly Connect. So in this integration, we are using two software applications. The first one is jot form, which is a form building software application. So in place of jot form, we can even use Pabbly Form Builder, Paper Form, Google Forms, etc. And the second application we are using is Notion, which is a database management, note-taking and project management software application. So in place of Notion, we can use other note-taking software applications also like Microsoft OneNote, etc. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as create database item in Notion on jot form submission. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can find a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the details of the customer to be captured from jot form submission. So open this trigger window and here in the application name, let us find jot form. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Here we can find a webhook URL and the instruction is also mentioned. So let us read the instructions. Open your form in the form builder and click on the settings tab. Go to the integrations, search for the webhook and paste the above URL in add webhook field. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this webhook URL from here. Let's move back to our JotForm. So this is my JotForm account where I have created few forms. So I have created this contact form for this integration. I'm just going to click on this edit form option. Here I have asked for the first name, last name, email address and mobile number of the customer. If you want to add some more details to this particular form, by clicking on this plus sign, add form element, you can add more fields as per your requirement. Okay. Now to create an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect, we have to come to the settings tab. Here we can find the integrations tab. Click on integrations. Now here we have to search for webhooks. So let us find webhooks. Now here it is asking to add a webhook. So we have to paste the same webhook URL over here which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to paste it and let's click on complete integration. And here we can see that the integration is ready. Let's click on finish. Okay, and here we can see a tick mark on the webhooks option. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, let's go to the form once again. Here we are going to click on publish. Okay, and here we can find the link which can be shared with your customers. And by using this particular link, they can fill up the forms. So I'm just going to open this link in a new tab. And we are going to just fill up the details over here. So I'm just going to give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. And here I'm just going to add the mobile number along with the country code. And let's click on submit. Okay, thank you. Your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can find the responses received and all the details related to the form submission are captured over here. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the webhook URL. Okay, here we can find the full first name, last name, email address and mobile number of the customer. So now we want that using all these details, automatically a new database item should be created in your Notion account. So come to this action window, open it. Here in the application name, let us find Notion. In the action event, we have to select create page. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Notion account. Now navigate to settings and members, integrations tab. Develop your own integrations from the left side menu. Okay, so I'll just take you to my Notion account. Here I have already created a workspace or a page named JotForm Contact Responses. If you want to add a new page over here, by clicking on this plus sign, you can add a page. Here I have added few fields, that is full name, email address, mobile number and submission ID. And if you want to add some more fields to this particular page, you can add it by clicking on this plus sign. Okay. So now let us go to the settings and members option. Here we can find the integrations option. Simply click on integrations. Now here we can see that so many integrations are already created. Now we are going to create a new integration. For that, click on this develop your own integrations. Okay, here we have to click on plus new integration. Here we are going to give the integration name as JotForm integration. Here we can select the logo. If you want to upload an image over here, you can upload it over here. Here you can select the associated workspace. Okay. And I'll just click on submit. Okay, and here we can find internal integration token. Before that, I'm just going to save this integration first. Let's click on save changes. Okay, and now let's click on show. Here we can find the token. So I'm just going to simply copy this token from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the token over here. Okay, and let's click on save. Okay, now the Notion account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the database, but we cannot find the database over here. So first we have to create a link between the new integration which we have created and the database. For that I'll just go to the integration. Okay, and here I'll just go back. And here we can find our integration, JotForm integration. So it is already created. I'll just go to the page that I have created named JotForm Contact Responses. Here I'll just click on this share button. Okay, make sure you have enabled the share to web option. Okay, here we have to select the invitee, that is the integration which we have created. So I'm just going to find JotForm integration. Okay, let's click on JotForm integration and let's click on invite. Okay, and here we can see that the integration is shared with the workspace. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to just refresh it for the new items. Okay, and here we can find JotForm contact responses database is captured over here. Now we have to map the content, email, mobile number. So if you want to map some content, you can map it over here. I'm just going to leave it as blank. Okay, here let us map the email address that we have received from the form submission. Okay, so we are going to map all these details now. So let us map the email from JotForm. Okay, I'll scroll down, and this was the email address. Let us map the mobile number again from JotForm. Here we have to map the submission ID. So let us map submission ID also. And at last, the full name is required. So I'm just going to map the full name also. That is Shikha as well as Arya. Okay, so we have already mapped all the details. And now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our Notion account. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, and before refreshing itself, we can find the details of the customer is added over here in our page. Here we can find the full name, email address, mobile number as well as the submission ID. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'm just going to fill up the form details once again. So I'll just go to my JotForm. Here I'll just open it in a new tab once again. I'm going to give the full name as Kuldeep Gupta. Let's give the email address as kuldeepg22@gmail.com. And I'll add the mobile number over here. And let's click on Submit. Okay, the form has been submitted. Now let us check our Notion account. Okay, and here we can find Kuldeep Gupta and his details are added over here in this particular workspace. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new form submission. Using all those details, we have created a new page into our Notion account or a new database into our Notion account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between JotForm and Notion using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.